Do mini splits work in the cold? This was a question that I had when I was looking to buy a mini split. So it is 30 degrees outside. It was 20s, maybe teens last night, as you can see. About a foot of snow on the ground, and this is a mini split. It's operating, and yeah, it's about 69 inside there, and not super noisy. This is a Senville mini split. I think I can link to it maybe. And the way it works is every so often it'll kick off and go into defrost mode. And defrost mode takes, a couple minutes and defrosts those fins. It works just fine. So yes, mini splits work in the cold, at least this Senville mini split. And they seem to work a lot better than some of those older heat pumps and mini splits that were so noisy. But at least down to 20 degrees seems to be pretty effective.